My dear students, good morning one and all. Now, the last class we discussed about you examples of distance and displacement and speed, different types of speeds, uniform speed, non-uniform speed, average speed and instantaneous speed. Average speed means the total distance by the total time. And now today explain some concepts and related problems on average speed. The first, the concept 1. A body travels a distance d1 with a velocity with a speed v1 and then travels a distance d2 with a speed v2. Then find the average speed. If a body travels a distance d1 with a speed v1 and then travels some distance d2 with a speed v2. See the diagram. From A to B, which is distance d1 with a speed v1 with a time t1. From B to C, distance d2 with a speed v2 some time d2. Speed is equal to distance by time. Time is equal to distance by speed. This is the most important related formulas. But average speed, find the value of average speed. Average speed means the total distance by total time. Now, the first of all, calculate the total distance, total time. Total distance d is equal to from A to C, that means d1 plus d2. Now total time t1 plus t2. The time is given distance by speed, that means d1 by v1 plus d2 by v2. In the LCM v1 v2, that means d1 v2 plus d2 v1. But average speed, the most important formula, average speed is equal to total distance by total time. Substituting the values, we average speed is equal to total distance means d1 plus d2 by total time d1 v2 plus d2 v1 by v1 v2. This equation we can simplify. Average speed is equal to d1 plus d2 into v1 v2 by d1 v2 plus d2 v1. The d1 d2 are the different distances, v1 v2 are the different speeds. For suppose these distances are same, that means d1 is equal to d2. That means the sum distance, these distances are equal. The condition when the distances are equal, that means d1 is equal to d2 is equal to d plus d, 2d into v1 v2. D is the common, v2 plus v1, d cancel, v average is equal to 2 v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. That is the harmonic mean according to mathematics. That means a body travels with some distance with a speed v1 and the same distance with a speed v2. Find the average speed 2 v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. This according to concept related problem. A body covers first half of the distance with a speed 60 km per hour and the remaining half of the distance with a speed 40 km per hour. Find the average speed. In this problem, the first half of the distance and the remaining half of the distance, distances will be same. Now the average speed formula 2 v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. But given that v1 is equal to 60 km per hour, v2 is equal to 40 km per hour, distances are equal. Average speed is equal to 2 v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. 2 into 60 into 40 by 60 plus 40. That means 4800 by 100. That means 48 km per hour. That concept is related to this example, easily solvable. Next, another concept. If your body travels first 1/3 of the distance with a speed v1 and second 1/3 of the distance with a speed v2 and last 1/3 of the distance with a speed v3, then find the average speed. In this case, different distances, different speeds. The first one third of the distance v1, second one third of the distance with speed v2, and the last one third of the distance and the remaining one third of the distance with a speed v3. From A to B with a distance d by 3 with a speed v1 and a related time t1, and second distance d by 3 with a speed v2 related time t2, and the last remaining distance d by 3 with speed v3 time t3. d by 3 d by 3 d by 3, that means the total distance traveled is d, but the average speed means the total distance is known, but to calculate the total time means t1 plus t2 plus t3. Time is equal to distance by speed, that means t1 is equal to d by 3 by v1 into d by 3 v1. d2 is equal to d by 3 by v2, d by 3 v2. Time t3 is equal to d by 3 by v3, d by 3 v3. That means d by 3 is the common, 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2 plus 1 by v3. LCM is given v1 v2 v3, that means v2 v3, v2 v2 cancel, v3 v1, v3 v3 cancel, v1 v2. But average speed, the total distance by total time, the total distance is given d, the total time is given d by 3 into v2 v3 plus v3 v1 plus v1 v2 by v1 v2 v3. dd cancel, v average speed 3 v1 v2 v3 by v2 v3 plus v3 v1 plus v1 v2. This equation also we can simplify. 3 by v average is equal to 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2 plus 1 by v3. Suppose LCM v1 v2 v3, that means v2 v3 plus v1 v3 plus v1 v2 by v1 v2 v3, cross multiplication. For suppose the total distance is divided into n equal parts, but in this concept 3 equal parts. The first concept 2 equal parts, but n equal parts. Now average speed n by v average is equal to 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2 plus 1 by v3 so on 1 by vn. 3 equal parts, 3 by v average, 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2 plus 1 by v3. And next another example, a car travelled the first third of a distance s at a speed v1 is equal to 10 kmph. That means the total distance s, the one third distance with a speed 10 kmph, and the second third of a speed 20 kmph, and the last third of a distance with a speed 60 kmph. But in this case, determine the mean speed or average speed, same, of the vehicle, means car, over the entire distance s. S is the total distance, but in this case the first one third distance, second one third distance, third one distance, that means distances are equal. That means average speed 3 by v average is equal to 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2 plus 1 by v3. That means when the distances is divided to 3 equal parts, that means the number is 3. 3 by v average is equal to 1 by v1 plus 1 by v2 plus 1 by v3. Substituting the values, 3 by v average is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60. LCM 60, that means 6 plus 3 plus 6, 1. 10 by 6 is equal to 1 by 6. V average is equal to 3 into 6 is equal to 18 kmph. Mean speed or average speed is equal to 18 kmph. This problem is also using the board examinations in theory exams. Now another concept 3. A body travels with a speed v1 from a time t1 and then travels with a speed v2 for a time t2. Find the average speed. From A to B with a speed v1, related time t1, distance d1. From B to C with speed v2, time t2, distance d2. Average speed means the total distance by total time. Total distance d1 plus d2. Total time t1 plus t2. But in this case, The d1 d2 is the unknown values, the changes into velocity, speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. That means d1 is equal to v1 t1, d2 is equal to v2 t2. The total distance v1 t1 plus v2 t2. Average speed is equal to total distance by total time, v1 t1 plus v2 t2 by t1 plus t2. When times are equal, in these cases, for suppose in the first half of time, second half of time, in this according to problem, in a next problem, t1 t2 are same. That means t v1 plus v2 into t by t plus t 2t. That means v1 plus v2 by 2. That is the arithmetic mean. But distances are equal, average speed harmonic mean. When the times are equal, average speed is equal to arithmetic mean. Now another example, for a man who walks 720 meter at a uniform speed of 2 meter per second and then runs at a uniform speed of 4 meter per second for 5 minutes and then again walks at a speed of 1 meter per second for 3 minutes. His average speed. Average speed means the total distance by total time. But according to problem, this is the S1 and this is the V1, but T1 is the unknown value. But second case, the V1, so V2 and T2, the calculate the S2. And the third case, V3, T3, calculate S3. But first of all, to calculate T1, S2, S3, according to problem, S1 is equal to 720 meter, V1 is equal to 2 meter per second, but time is equal to distance by speed, 720 by 2, that is equal to 360 seconds. But second condition, speed is equal to 4 meter per second, time 5 minutes, 1 minute 60 seconds, 5 minutes 300 seconds. But distance is equal to speed into time, 4 into 300, 1200 meter. And now third condition, V3 is equal to 1 meter per second, time 3 minutes, that means 180 seconds. Distance is equal to V3 T3, that means 180 meter. But average speed means the total distance by total time. The total distance S1 plus S2 plus S3 by the total time T1 plus T2 plus T3. That means 720 plus 1200 plus 180 by 360 plus 300 plus 180. That value 2100 by 840. That value 2.5 meter per second. This is also most important model. Another important model of average speed. A particle starting from point A. A particle starting from point A, traveling up to B. Traveling up to B with a speed S. Then up to point C with a speed 2s. Up to point, the speed 2s. And finally up to A with a speed 3s. With a speed 3s. From A to B with a speed S. From B to C with a speed 2s. From C to A with a speed 3s. Then find the average speed. But according to problem, this angle 120. But from A and B the right angle 90 degrees. This is the 90, this is the 120. 210, but circle 360. 360 minus 210 is the 150. From A to B with speed S, time T1. From B to C with speed 2s, time T2. From C to A with speed 3s, time T3. This angle 90 degrees, 120 degrees, 150 degrees. But let radius of the circle R. The total distance traveled, AB plus BC plus CA is equal to circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. But according to trigonometry, arc length is equal to radius into angle. This AB is the one arc, BC is the another arc, CA is the another arc. The length of the arc AB, BC, CA. To find the length of the arc according to trigonometry, radius into angle. That means length of arc AB is equal to R into pi by 2, pi r by 2. length of arc BC r into 2 pi by 3, length of arc CA r into 5 pi by 6. That means total time taken t is equal to t1 plus t2 plus t3. Time is equal to distance by speed. That means AB by V1 plus BC by V2 plus CA by V3. AB means pi r by 2 with speed. V1 means s, V2 means 2s, V3 means 3s. This equation we can write pi r by 2s plus 2 pi r by 6x plus 5 pi r by 18s, 6 into 3. Pi r by s common, 1 by 2 plus 2 1 ja 2 3 ja 1 by 3 plus 5 by 18. 18 the common, 9 plus 6 plus 5. That means the t is equal to 20 pi r by 18s. T the 20 pi r by 18s. But average speed means the total distance by total time. The total distance means 2 pi r, but the total time is given 20 pi r by 18s. That means pi r cancel, 2 1 ja 2 10 ja 18s by 10. That means 1.8s. Average speed means 1.8s. This is the total examples and concept of average speed.